Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and on this channel I share everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so, and let's stay connected.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Hello friends, I am so glad to have you here today. In this satisfying speed cleaning motivation all day clean with me video, we are going to be cleaning my kitchen and my living room. I'm also going to share with you an easy and simple way I deodorize my area rug or carpet. But before we get there, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friend. It really helps with the algorithm. I'm starting off with clearing out the couch and picking up my kids' toys from the floor. Then I'll go ahead and move the furniture around and vacuum the area rug. Followed by showing you guys what I use to deodorize my area rug and how I make it.
Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage, you're a million.
So for this, you're gonna need 1 cup of baking soda, depends on how big your carpet is, about 15 to 20 drops of any essential oil of your choice. Mix it together, and I'm gonna use this strainer to sprinkle it all over my area rug. After that, you let it sit for 30 minutes and then vacuum it. So I'm gonna go back to the kitchen while I'm waiting for the 30 minutes to pass. So this video was filmed about 2 days after Valentine's Day. So here I'm just gonna take that time and take all my decor down and put them away. Yeah, I'm just making sure that I remove all the batteries and everything that has battery before I put it away. So here, this flower, I couldn't decide if I want to trash it or still keep it. So I looked at it and think maybe I can get a day or 2 off of it. So I put it back in the vase. It has been 30 minutes since I applied my baking soda, and I am back to vacuum it. And guys, it smells so divine in the house. This can also be used on your mattress to deodorize it. And friends, while I keep cleaning, I just want to take this time to thank you, to show you how much I appreciate the time you guys take to come here on my channel and watch my content. It always makes me happy reading your comment, knowing that you guys like what I do and have to share with you. Speaking of that, don't be shy. Let me know in the comment below What do you guys use to get rid of all the funny smell on your carpet or anything in the house? I don't know it all, and I'm also here to learn. So feel free to let me know in the comment below if you have any tips or hacks to get rid of any funny smell in the house. Now that my living room is clean, I'm gonna head over to the kitchen and clean it as well. But before we do that, let me get some coffee. So guys, fun fact about me, I love coffee, but I can only do decaf coffee. I've tried so many times to like regular coffee, but it just doesn't agree with me. Every time I take regular coffee, I'm gonna start having palpitations. So I just come to the conclusion that regular coffee, it's not for me. Under street lights, right next to the skyline, with you. Yeah, you. I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you just my makeup, believer, out of makeup. You look so pretty in the sun. I'm clearing out my island, and I will move on with cleaning the cooktop and my kitchen appliances. I hope this video is giving you tons of motivation to tackle all your cleaning and get everything done around the house.
Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurt me,
This is what I use to keep my trash can smell good. I got it from Burlington, and it can also be used in different places in the house, like in the bathroom, in your closet, and even in the car.
keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off. I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged. Your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in?
You guys know I like sharing tips with you. So if you want to clean burnt food off of your pot, add a little bit of water to your pot and add 1 dish soap to it and let it sit overnight. The next day, you won't have to do too much scrubbing to get your pot cleaned.
Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough.
I had some stickers on this mirror from Valentine's Day decor that I couldn't get anything to help me remove it. But then I tried this glue gun spray and this thing works like magic. As you can see on my first spray, I just wiped it with the paper towel and all these things that start coming off already. So I did spray the glass cleaner on it at the end just to kind of help me shine the mirror. So if you're looking for something to remove stickers, try this. It works pretty good.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next video.